Good morning, children. In this video we are going to study about the capacity or volume. What are this capacity or volume? It is nothing but to measure any liquid, suppose water, milk, tea, etc. So the standard unit of measuring capacity is liter. The units of capacity more than liter are kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter. The units of capacity lower than liter are deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Now children, we see this is the lowest unit for measuring liquid, milliliter. As we have seen, millimeter in measuring length. Okay, so in the same way, milliliter is the smallest unit for measuring volume or the capacity. Then comes a centiliter, then deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. This is the biggest unit for measuring volume or capacity. Now children, will see the relationship between them. See children, for your easy understanding, I have taken short forms ml, cl, dl, L, DAL, HL, KL. Now, when we are moving from left to right, that means from kiloliter to HL, what is the relationship between KL and HL? In 1 KL, how many HLs are there? That means, how many steps we have to take? Only one jump. Okay, so 1 0. So 1 KL equal to 10 HL. Now 1 KL equal to dash DAL. So how many steps? 1 2. Now 1 KL equal to dash L. So how many jumps? 1 2 3. So 3 zeros. So 1 KL equal to 1000 liter. Okay children, in the same way, if we want 1 DAL equal to dash L means it is 10 L. Okay, in the same way, 1 L is equal to dash DL is nothing but 10 DL. Children, now we are going to see from right to left. 1 ml equal to dash CL. It is nothing but fraction. Okay, 1 by 10 CL. 1 ml is equal to 1 by 100 DL. Okay, because it is 2 gems. Okay, in the same way, 1 L is equal to dash KL. From L we are going to left side. So it is 1 by 1000 KL. Now children, we are going to see exercise Brain Booster 13.11. First one is convert the following into liters. So we have kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter and liters. So liters, 3 liters is already in liters. We have to change KL, HL and DAL into liters. So we will see the relationship between kiloliter and liter. Children, just we will see here. We have taken like this kiloliter, HL and DAL and L. So 1 kiloliter. Now you should be able to tell. You tell me now. 1 kiloliter equal to how many liters? How many gems? 1 2 3 gems. So 1 2 3 zeros. L. Now 1 HL equal to dash L. So we will start from HL. How many gems? 2 gems. So 2 zeros followed by 1. Now 1 DAL equal to dash L is from DAL how many steps? 1 step. So 1 0. Have you understood the relation? Now, so we have formed this relation for easy and convenient sake, I have numbered it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first one, we will take 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter, first step. Then for 6 kl, how many liters? 6 kl equal to 6 into 1000 L. It is nothing but 6 ones are 6, 0, 0, 0 in the answer. Okay. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6. 6 into 1000 is 6000 liter. Now, second one is HL. 1 HL equal to 100 L. 4 HL equal to 4 into 100 L. It is 400 L. Next one is DAL. So, we will take 1 DAL equal to 10 L. For 2 DAL, it is 2 into 10. It is nothing but 20 L. Fourth one is 3 L. Now, final answer is, we will write the full question, and for 6 KL, how much we got? 6000 liter. We will write plus 400 L and 20 L and 3 L. Now our answer is all in liters. So we will add all the 4 numbers. That is nothing but 6420 and 3. So it is 3. We are adding it. Then 2, 4 and 6. 6423 liters. Okay children, now we are going to see the next sum. In the same way, we have to put the relation between KL and L, HL and L, DAL and L. Now again stepwise, first one, 1 KL equal to 1000 liter. So 8 KL equal to 8000 liter. Now 1 HL equal to 100 L. So we have 0 here. So 0 into 100 is 0 liters. For third one, 1 DAL equal to 10 liter. For 3 DAL, it is 30 liter. Fourth one is 5 L. So as per the question given, we will add all the liters. It is 8035 liter. Now the second sum, convert the following into milliliter. Milliliter is the smallest unit. So from liter, we have to convert into milliliter. We will see how to do. Children, now 4321 liter. How many ml? So from liter, we have to convert into ml. So from left to right means normal zeros. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So we got the relation as 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Okay. Then 4321 into 1000. So how many? 43 lakhs 21 ml. Now beef 5432 liter. So again 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So for this 5432 into 1000 ml. So final answer is this. Now we'll see third one, convert the following into milliliters. So again liters is given. Children, in the question 3L, next is DL, then CL, then ML. Okay, so here it is not DAL but it is DL. Okay, these are all the smallest units less than liter. Okay, DL, CL, ML. Now let us convert them. Okay, so we have ML, CL, DL and L. Okay, so from L to ml. From L to ml. 1 liter, we have liter, dl, cl, ml. 1 liter equal to dash ml. 1, 2, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Then 1 dl equal to dash ml. It is nothing but from here 1, 2. Next 1 cl dash ml, only 10. Now children, so we have already written this. Now children, 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So for 3 liters it is 3 into 1000 ml, it is 3000 ml. So 1 dl equal to 100 ml. For 5 dl it is 5 into 100 ml, 500 ml. 1 cl equal to 10 ml, it is 3 cl equal to 3 into 10, 30 ml. Last is 1 ml according to the question. So we will add all the numbers. So 3 liters it is 3000 ml plus 500 ml plus 30 ml plus 1 ml. It is nothing but, after adding all the numbers, 3531 ml. Now children, fourth bit, convert the following into KL. It is nothing but converting into KL. 7893 ml. So ml is the smallest unit. Then from right side to left side we are converting till here we want. So from right to left means fraction form. So from here 1 step, 2 steps, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many zeros? 6 zeros in the denominator place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 1 ml equal to dash KL. Okay ma. So it is nothing but 7893 ml equal to 7893 in the numerator place and 1 followed by 6 zeros in the denominator place. So when we are writing this fraction into decimal form, we will count how many zeros are there, no? So we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there. But how many zeros here? 4 numbers. So after 6 places we want. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th place 0. 6th place also 0. After this we have point. So KL. Thank you children.